Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to log into Udemy using your email and password. Let's get started. Step 1, open your browser and go to udemy.com. Step 2, on top right corner, click on the login button. Step 3, now type in your email address and your password. Double check both to make sure they're correct. Step 4, it will request an OTP and copy the OTP and paste in Udemy. Once done, click the login button, you'll be taken to your Udemy dashboard where all your courses are. And that's it. Now you know how to log in Udemy with your email and password. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful guides. See you next time.